step into the 2005 Suzuki XL7 Luces. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include CD player, AC, power mirror, cargo shade, 4-wheel drive, AM/FM stereo, heated mirrors, and driver airbag. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.